Lizette LaForge, Beacon Windows, and today we're going to talk a little bit about track and track damage. This is an excellent example in this track here where you see a lot of gouging. Here's a good piece right here. If you kind of run your finger, you see another one here, and you can definitely see a really big one here. And there's over here at the very beginning, just the beginnings of one right here. This happens from a couple of different reasons. Sometimes it's a bad roller, and as it bumps along, it'll create these divots. That's what's probably happening in this situation, and it's irritated by the fact that there's a piece in the track down further that's creating a drag for the door. That's not the only way it happens though, and the door is this aged. This is from the 60s. Sometimes what will happen is you get these gouges at the front end, or sometimes at the back end of every panel that moves. And these are caused by just the weight and the length of time, and it kind of makes a little pothole, sits in that place forever. Kind of like a car on the grass. If you left it there for a year, you'd end up with lots of ruts. And so this happens in a longer timeline with metal. And when you have that situation, there are things we can do. We use various kinds of caps to go over the rail system. And we have a couple of examples right here that we're going to show you to show that it can be fixed. You do not have to throw away your track. You do not have to throw away your door. Don't worry, we got you. We can fix this.